So Grace, second year of the Evolve conference in Brighton. Fantastic event. Congratulations on pulling this off yet again. And second year for Logicata here as a sponsor, and also the AWS Brighton User Group with the builder card tables. Tell us a little bit about Evolve, how it came about, and how companies like Logicata are helping you to pull this off.
Yeah, so first of all, if we take it back to Silicon Brighton, so we're a non-profit and our whole mission is to spotlight the city as being a tech hub, which we know that it already is, but it's about supporting the local community here. So I think actually you and I first met when we were getting a user group off the ground.
That's right, yeah.
You through the Logicata group basically came up with this event, and it's with people like you as volunteers who bring these meetups to life, that provide this support for the people that are coming through who want to meet new people, who want to upskill, who want to learn new things, and we need people to facilitate that, people in the industry. So that was all kind of an amazing introduction, and then it was through that connection that obviously Logicata got involved with Evolve. So I know that you're here from a meetup capacity, and the community is just as important as the corporate side for you, but obviously you're here as Logicata as well. From an exhibitor and a sponsor perspective, we basically need people and businesses to be supporting what we do to make it happen. We're in the really early days, and everything that we do goes directly back into Silicon Brighton. So without having companies financially invest as well as contribute from the meetup, from the community side, we literally wouldn't be able to get off the ground. So basically a massive thank you, because we couldn't do it otherwise from a perspective and a finance perspective.
So you mentioned the AWS Brighton User Group. That's the networking group that I helped to run with some other volunteers. Tell us about some of the other groups that run in Brighton.
Yeah, so there's a massive meetup family. There's about 40 meetup groups that all exist around Brighton and Hove. So again, because they're run by volunteers like yourselves, giving your time, giving your expertise and your support to the community, it allows those meetups to be free, in the same way that people speak for free, people run workshops for free, and people donate space for free. They're also all live streamed by us, so if people can't make it or they don't feel particularly comfortable coming and networking, they can watch all the talks and the amazing content that you guys provide online. And that really breaks down the barriers to entry for people coming into the industry or wanting to get a little bit of a leg up in the industry, or they're looking for a new job, or maybe they're a little bit more senior and they're looking to start giving back and building up their personal brand. So yeah, they're really important, but as you know, you're one of many others that happen, and it's a really great way of cross-promoting what's happening and trying to get different people coming to all the different groups, and also promoting it to maybe other tech teams within their business who might be more suited to one of the other meetups as well.
Do you think this is unique to Brighton, in our little Brighton bubble, is it?
So the meetups aren't. We know that we didn't create user groups, but I think having that umbrella brand on top of all of the groups to be able to bring them all together and get more collaboration between the user groups, also to coordinate the calendars a little bit, because it's really busy and a lot of people can't make, say, more than one event a week, and to cross-promote them all to each other and to encourage people to come together, to recommend speakers for not one particular group, but then to come to another, to do a little bit of a roadshow across the different user groups. I think that's unique to Brighton. It's having that real coordination and a bit of a family feel, community feel across the organisers as well as the groups. That makes it really special, and that bit is different to any other city, I think, from what I know.
Yeah, it's really great to see it coming together in this way at Evolve. So again, congratulations for pulling this off. Really pleased to be involved.
Oh, and congratulations to you as well, and a massive thank you for being involved.
Cheers, Grace.
Awesome.